Hi, my name is Asif. I'm an alumni student of NetSoft Institute of Technology. I have over 7 years of IT experience. I've been working in IT industry since 2008. I have majors in IT, like I did masters in IT from back home. A relative of mine actually was studying here, and he actually motivated me when I saw him and his education and his knowledge in IT, so that inspired me very much. So I decided that I should join the NetSoft. I have taken over 10 trainings at NetSoft, like Active Directory, Microsoft Exchange, SCCM, VMware, Citrix. So I'm still planning to take some more trainings as well, because it was a very good experience for me. The quality of the training is, I would say, is outstanding. It's very nice, very good. It's not like a traditional institute or universities where the trainer will come and deliver the training and just go. The trainers will give you really a personal attention. They make sure that you understand the concept, and then you go from there. And there's a lot of hands-on you have to do, and then that makes you more perfect in understanding the technologies. I have heard so many success stories of NetSoft previous students. So like over 10 stories, 10 people I know that they have studied at NetSoft, and they have excelled in their careers in IT, and that's very much motivated me to take trainings here and to be a part of this institute. Right now I have about 8 certifications. That's I'm MCSE, I have VCP, and I have CCA for the Citrix. I have SCCM for Microsoft as well. The most training I liked at NetSoft is the SCCM. I liked it a lot because it was very like some of the concepts of SCCMs are very complex, so they were explained so beautifully, so simply that it was very easy to understand and to work on them. So I liked SCCM. I liked the training. That the most training I liked was the SCCM training. In the diploma program, there's a very strong support you have for regarding your resumes and preparing for the interviews as well. So it's not only just you come here and you study, but also there is a lot of support in terms of resume writing, resume building, and interview preparations. I would recommend strongly NetSoft to the other people because of its standard of training and the courses offered, which are very good. In the market, they are up to date. The material is very good, and it's covered in a very good amount of time. I mean, and the trainers, they give their 100% to the students, and then to make sure that the concepts are clear in the mind, so that it's easy to when the students go into the real job environment, so it's easy for them to work on them. And also there is a support also, so if they have any issues or any thing which is not clear, we can always go back to the trainer and ask them, and they are very happy to help and assist. The message I would like to give to the people who are looking to join NetSoft is that it's very, very good institute. You will learn a lot. I've seen people, and including myself, like from excelling in their careers and changing the life of people by taking the trainings here in this institute.